What is up, guys? This is Josh with Lead and Iron, and today my video is going to be on this DecoGear Gaming Mic, and I wanted to do a recording for you so you can hear it. This is how it would sound on stream. I've done the stream already with this. It sounds amazing. I'm really happy with it. So we're going to jump into a DMZ game, and we're going to have some fun, I hope. Call of Duty has a way of ruining things. Ruining fun. Could be a little stressful sometimes. I wanted to do a recording so I can do like a couple edits, and I also did a live stream. It's on my other channel with this mic. I think this mic already sounds phenomenal. I have no filters on it. This is just plug and play. I was pretty surprised by it. I think it has a price tag of $69.99, I believe, on their website. I think. Don't quote me on that. I will show you the price on that right here. Yeah, so far, to me, it sounds amazing. I'm surprised how good it sounds. Jump into some DMZ. Let's look at Chimera. Let's try this ISO Hemlock, huh? The answer, we'll equip that. We'll bring that in. Maybe a, stronghold key. I am playing by myself, so I'm going to equip a spotter scope. It kind of helps when it comes to checking where other players are and stuff, some PvP. So that's how I normally set up. I do not fill squad. If I'm going to play by myself, it's going to be solos. I bought a mortar strike last time, and it didn't count. I have to kill 8 Katala soldiers, kill 5 Shadow Company in the same game, and then extract 2 bandages. So hopefully we can get some of that done. If I do go quiet, it is because of proximity chat. Proximity chat still is in DMZ as far as I know. Like you'll see like a little red on this side of the screen over here. I think it'll pop up on screen recording. It's been a little bit, maybe a few days, three or 4 days since I last played. So I feel like this DecoGear mic has set the bar for like entry-level mics.
Welcome to Al Mazrah. Explore, secure intel.
And every time I enter my first game, like it's really choppy like this for a little bit. It's for like maybe the first 5 minutes. I have no idea why. I've checked everything. If anybody else is on PC, let me know if you noticed that. There used to be people here, remember? And now, see? Where'd that guy go? You guys saw that, right? All of a sudden, that guy's gone. Oh, my boy. That's my boy, Blue. No. Gotta fix that recoil. That'll get you killed. Give me that plate. Yoink. Didn't want to use it then, but I don't want to die either. So what else do I gotta do? Get 2 bandages.
Ultra One actual. High winds are increasing in the AO. Move to an extract point before radiation spreads.
How many plates do I got? 2, 3. Okay, now I can probably get rid of this. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Ultra One actual. Winds are pushing radiation through the area. Advise moving to extraction when able.
Good loot here. I need mid-caliber rounds. JLTV here.
Gotta go, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck off. Oh my god.
Ultra One, Dino 4. We're approaching the LZ. Get it secure. Dino 4's at the extract point. Be advised, we can't stay here long.
Oh my god, all the fucking AI decided to come follow me. I am literally just here to try to
Onto the
leave.
gas mask.
Additional team members have been requested.
I request you, I don't care. I ain't trying to fight anybody. I just want to take my bandage out.
Requesting more operators for your team. Stand by.
Let me know where you're at, I'll help.
Yep, come on in, dude.
Alright,
We're all friendly.
okay, we're good.
We're all friendly. Everybody hop on.
Well, I just got a bandage, so.
Yeah, no worries. I don't have anything either. We got some guys coming up.
God damn.
Ultra One, Dino 4. We're
Ooh.
being ordered out of the AO.
GG's, guys.
We can't
GG's
stay
for
here,
sure.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, good game. Hey, that was awesome. Thanks for the help, man.
Yeah, for sure.
We got a bandage. Alright, so you guys actually got to hear what this microphone sounded like in game. I think it sounds phenomenal. I think it sounds a lot better than the toner one I got. Toner one's still pretty good, but this sounds actually really good. Just out the box. You got, you know, your gain knob. You can mute it. You can plug in a headphone to hear what you sound like. You can adjust that volume as well, and then you got a little bit of RGB up here at the bottom. I really hope you guys got something out of this, just hearing it. I'll show you what I have here. So this is the microphone, right? There are no filters on this. It is just the straight microphone. So this is what you hear. I'm probably at, I would say 3/4 of the way on my gain. I think it sounds phenomenal. I really hope you guys like content like this, if this helps you out in any way, especially if you're looking to stream or trying to find a mic for podcasts or anything like that. I'm not an audiophile, so I'm not, you know, don't know like the tones and, you know, the tings and stuff like that, but from what I hear, it sounds pretty good. I would say it sounds really good. Well, you know what? I'll let you guys go. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it, but I gotta go because my back hurts.